Welcome back, everyone. Today's episodes will be cooking a delicious meal with Spam, episode 4. I'm making Spam Katsu. You don't find this too many in restaurants anyway. It's just a homemade thing I decided to try, and I'm sharing with you. And here are the ingredients. You have all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, Spam, Panko, there's breadcrumbs, and Wesson oil. And that's all the ingredients to make this delicious meal. First thing I'm going to do is cut the Spam. Cut about an 1/8 of an inch. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fry the Spam about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Alright, the Spam been cooking for about 3 minutes. I'm going to turn it over now and cook it the same way, same amount of time. And the reason I'm cooking it, so when I make the frying time to make the katsu is real quick, and the Spam won't be cooked for a short time of cooking in the oil, so I fry the Spam first. So I'll leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes and take it off and put it on a paper towel. Alright, it's been 3 minutes. I'm going to pull it out. Eggs. Ready? I added the oil into the frying pan and setting it at medium heat. So now I'm gonna baste the Spam. I put the Spam, cooked Spam, in the egg. Then into the flour. Making sure the Spam is covered with the flour. And after the flour, I stick it in a Panko. Then I stick the Spam back into the eggs and straight into the Panko. So it'll be more crispy. into the eggs. Into the panko. Now I'm going to I'll place the Spam into the frying pan. I'm going to fry it until it's lightly brown. Flip it over. Now both sides look perfect on this. Both sides are lightly brown. I'll take them out. Place on a paper towel. So this is how it looks. I'll let it rest for a few minutes, then I'll cut it into slices. Now that the Spam has cooled off some, I'm going to cut it in slices. And this is the Spam Katsu. And you can make this as an appetizer if you have a party, dinner party, or just as a snack, or as a part of a meal. You would add it with other things, like you could eat it with rice. Well, now I'm going to taste it. And like I said, these make good appetizers, or even for a regular fast meal. You can cook it, make it, eat it with rice and some other fixings, like vegetables. So, again, you fry the Spam 2 to 3 minutes on each side, then put it on a paper towel, then You stick the Spam in the eggs, flour, then the Panko. Then after the Panko, you stick it back in the eggs and put it in the Panko again before you fry it. Then you fry it until it turns golden brown, just the way you see it now. And it's very delicious. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments, please leave it on the comment section. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for future upcoming events and adventures. And remember, when possible, go outside and explore. This will be my lunch before I go back to work.